Skip expensive website agencies and the frustrations of DIY web solutions and start to grow your law practice with Tabs3 websites. Your firm's website serves as a welcoming point for your marketing efforts. Creating a positive and professional first impression is vital to running a successful business. With Tabs3 websites, you can have a website professionally built for your firm in just a few weeks, all for a great price. The Tabs3 websites team will optimize your website design for both desktop and mobile devices, so your clients get the best experience no matter how they access the site. With modern, sleek design options available, your website will not only have a professional appearance, but will also be easy to navigate and have an intuitive layout. Your website includes content pre-populated based on the services that your firm provides, and all of the content is optimized for search engines, giving you an edge above the competition. The Tabs3 websites team understands that being compliant is key when working with sensitive legal information. That's why your website will be hosted on a secure, reliable platform and include bank-grade SSL security, spam protection, continuous backups, and more. Best of all, Tabs3 websites works with Tabs3 Pay, so your clients can easily pay invoices from your site with the click of a button. Ready to learn more? Sign up for a demo today with one of our product experts by visiting tabs3.com/websites. Thanks for watching. See you next time.